map, and there is a list of all the businesses in the area. They are giving discounts, freebies, everything cool that we're going to check out, like all of them. We are the Cruelty Free Shop with Jean-Paul. He's going to tell us something about this beautiful ice cream.
Yeah, so Zebra Dream, it started about 5.5 years ago, created by a gentleman by the name of Zach Bennett in Melbourne. It's had the intention to make basically the best organic vegan ice cream in Australia and the world, and it really is. And makes the most exceptional flavours. We sell it nationally.
Yeah, we can see there are so many here.
Yeah.
We can't wait to taste a little bit of
I'd
that.
love you to try it. So we have at the front and the end, we've got the Vanilla Dream, which is the classic coconut flavour. We've got our salted caramel, which is so popular, so amazing. Strawberry baobab, which is high in nutrients and antioxidants, amazing like a frozen yogurt. The chocolate delight, which is amazing, is perfect straight from the tub. I like a chocolate mousse. The chocolate peanut butter, beautiful caramel with maple syrup. The lemongrass caramel, which is such an amazing flavour, always sells out in tastings. But then yesterday it sold out.
Bit
So it's like,
different, yeah, it's a bit different. Yeah.
And then they've got the mint and the mint panna choc chip, which is fresh peppermint ice cream with chunks of chocolate in it.
Great.
Yeah,
Let's taste that.
definitely love to. What would you like to try?
Oh my god.
Yep, yeah. So it's
Wanna
orange. That's good. So this one we're going to try the chocolate peanut butter with lovely maple syrup.
Smell.
You can smell it. Oh. This has been really popular today in Glebe.
From Real Grounded. Today here they have like vegan day out specials, and we're gonna try the toasties. They're just $5, so why not? But they have so many other things to try. It is a bookshop, but inside it has a cafe, and today for the vegan day out they are actually having a special. Let me see. Oh, the cheesy potato bag, we have to try I love potatoes, so I'm not a good judge in this case, but it comes with a salad as well. It looks quite good. Yeah, I don't think I'll leave something for you. And our favorite soul burger. We do really need to go in and taste it because we're here actually like every week, so we know the place really well. They do massive, huge, delicious burgers like American style. Today for the vegan day out they're giving like $5 off any thing that you're buying. But yeah, you have to try it, it's amazing. It's just like, I don't know, it doesn't really look or taste like vegan, like you can't tell the difference from a normal burger. They have quite few different burgers, different like not chicken, beef, mushroom based and fish. Of course it's baked fish, but we love it. and yeah, you have to try it. There are, I think there are 3 different shops. One is here in Glebe, one is in Randwick, and one is Parramatta. Go and try it. If you think that vegans cannot have chocolate, you're wrong. We're here with Ed today, and he's going to talk us about his beautiful product.
Hi, my name is Ed. This is Chocolate Yogi. So this is a very special vegan, raw organic chocolate made in Australia. We make it the traditional way. It's Belgian chocolate, and every single bar we make, these ones give 10 cents to Sea Shepherd, and these are our brand new range. They give 5 cents to the Orangutan Project. You can see that there. So they're bars that give back, chocolate that changes the world, and they taste amazing. Come down to the shop here and buy some and try some, and yeah, it's very, very good.
Thank you so much, Ed. So as you can see, there are so many different options, and not only you're going to taste something really good, you're going to help also Sea Shepherd. So come and taste some. We got 3D. It's an Indian vegan restaurant. I've always wanted to try it, but I didn't have the chance in these like 3 years that I've been in Sydney. But today, as we're here, we would really like to try something for lunch. And for the vegan day out, they're giving 10% off everything. So let's see what they have, and I'm quite hungry actually. About becoming vegan because you're a cheese lover, don't be afraid, because there are so many different kinds of cheese that are completely dairy free. I know it sounds quite weird because usually cheese is milk, but look at that. I mean, there are 3 full ingredients here, and I'm just going to show you a few of my favorite ones. This one is like Philadelphia, something like that, and it tastes almost like that. Like you can't really tell the difference. This one, oh my god, this is so good. You will never believe that it's vegan. And this one, I did an experiment with my friends. They're not vegan, and they actually smelled it and tasted it, and they were 100% sure that that was Parmesan cheese, which is not, of course. So don't be afraid. We say everything you could eat, we could make it vegan. It's so true. There are so many things that are vegan and they don't really taste like vegan. So don't be afraid. If you are about to become vegan but you don't know, maybe you're going to miss something, remember there are so many options, and yeah, you should just try. Give it a go. Did you know that you could feed vegan food to your dog? Yeah. So sometimes we feel a bit guilty because we're vegan, but we still feed our dogs normal dog food, which contains, of course, meat and animal products. So why don't you try something like this? This is a balanced dog food, completely vegan, and it has all the nutrients that a dog needs in his diet. It's totally cruelty free and is suitable for puppies till old age dogs, and it contains omega-3, it's gluten free, so you won't feel guilty anymore because you're giving vegan food to your dog, and you won't feel guilty because you think that some nutrients can be missed in your dog's diet. So yeah, just try it. It's a really good product, and you can find it here at the Cruelty Free Shop. There is also a canned version, and actually my dog's dog. Vegan doesn't only mean food. Vegan means clothes, cleaning products, personal care products. And why? Why are they vegan? For example, cleaning products, we have quite a big range here, from dishwashing, toilet cleaner, floor cleaning products. That's because they reduce the amount of pollution in the water. So vegan doesn't only mean being not cruelty against animals, but also for the planet. And by using a product like this, you're reducing the amount of pollution in the water, and also they're all made without testing on animals. So as I don't really like spicy stuff, I have a tester here for this extra ginger singer whatever it is, and Gianluca will be our
official tester.
yes.
Extra ginger something. Well, because we need a drink, so they said it is spicy, but I will let you know.
Go for it.
I'm scared.
Is it spicy?
A little bit, but it definitely tastes like ginger.
Oh, that's good.
It like helps you breathing better.
So it's a yes or a no? Our vegan day out tour finishes here. Very sad, belly's full. Our last stop is the source Pop Foods. We're going to have a look inside, and thank you for following us. We'll see you next time. Bye!